Hello everyone, welcome back to craft class. Today we are going to learn how to make a handmade paper bag. Let's start doing it. For making paper bag, handmade paper bag, I have taken half chart paper, one and one it is green color. So now we'll start doing it. First I am going to slit this one color like this. I am going to draw a line for the slits. It should be equal slits. You can draw fully, but I have taken a half of the sheet. If you want, you can fold one more also, but I have taken half. Then I have drawn it. Now I am going to slit the, after drawing I am going to slit the all the lines. Here I have slitted all the full paper, I have slit it. Now I will keep a side. Now I am going to take other color, green color paper, sheet like this. First this also I am going to divide into all the slits. First one I am going to draw one side like this for our measurement. Then I am going to draw the lines all till the end like full. Then I am going to slit the sheet. After slitting, the sheet will be like this. So here we have marked it. You are not supposed to cut this till the end. Now this we are going to do a weaving bag. I am going to teach you. What we have slit this all the paper. Now we are going to take one alternate. I am going to insert it like this. This is a weaving we are going to do like this, alternate. Next I am going to take another one after this first one. Then from down I am going to take a paper like this. One or the other, one alternate I am going to take, and it should be very near, tightly. First one was like this. Front for up I have taken, second one down I have taken. Now third one again from upper part I am going to take like this, alternate. Same way we are going to do till the end. This weaving like a chessboard we are going to do, alternate. It's a weaving bag we are doing. Children, it's very easy to do it, and it will be very nice also, very thick it will be. To carryable also it will be very easy. And when you are doing, see that you are going to do tightly, very near, closer to it, each and every strip. Like this, alternate there. And the edges should be, after finishing you are going to stick the edges. Now I am unable to do it, so I'll be starting doing it. I'm going to stick the edges very tight. It will be tightly both the sides. you are going to apply the glue. That to end you are going to, and then stick the tightly, you can hold it, then edge also. Like this I am going to apply all each and every strip. Here I have completed till the end. I have pasted everything. Now I am going to paste this edge also. See that when you are pasting it, it should be tightly and it should be pasted properly. This will be taking little time. You have to wait for a while after sticking. Here I have completed the edge. Also it had dried it. Now I am going to press this. Yes, the weaving, and I will take another green color paper like this for the sides. I will make it into half this. Like this. I am going to cut this into half. Here edge, I am going to fold this like this. This half of it I am going to staple it, or you can paste it also. Half of the sheet like this. Now I am going to staple it for you. Here I am going to staple the edge. Like this. Then this part you are going to press this like this, and this you are going to fold it, and here again you are going to staple it. You can stick it, but it will take more time. Here I am stapling it. And another side also same way. Here I am going to press it before like this and insert it inside, and you are going to staple like this. Here I have completed the sides also. Both the sides I have completed like this. Now I will make a handle. Now I am going to stick the handle. You can stick or you can staple it. Here I am stapling it. This is another side, I am pasting it, and another side also I am going to staple it like this. Here we completed. You can decorate this bag with kundans also, with flowers, with everything. I think you all liked it, children. I hope you will be doing this paper bag. Thank you. Bye.